Hi, second grade. So this is our math lesson for chapter 11, lesson 1. So you should be doing this on Monday, April the 6th. So if you're looking at this now, you won't have the work to do on Seesaw until Monday, all right? So let's go ahead and get started. It's a new chapter. It's all about measuring. So I'm going to share the video with you because it's a new chapter. So we get a new video. We're not going to do the Am I Ready video, because I think that would get a little boring for you guys. But we're going to talk about inches.
Explore inches. A ruler measures length. Some rulers measure length in inches. We are going to measure this pattern.
Hang on. A few technical difficulties there.
Explore inches. A ruler measures length. Some rulers measure length in inches. We are going to measure this pattern block with a ruler that measures in inches. To measure the pattern block, line up the edge of the pattern block with 0. Then, look at the other edge of the pattern block. Which number is it closest to? Yes, it is closest to 1. About how long is this pattern block? If you said 1 inch, you are correct. Look closely at this piece of chalk. Remember that a pattern block is about 1 inch long. Section the chalk into parts as long as a pattern block. How many parts are there? There are 4. If each part is about 1 inch long, about how long is the piece of chalk? The chalk is about 4 inches long.
All right, so there's one video we have. Okay.
Explore inches.
We don't want to listen to that again, that's for sure. And here is our other video.
Use an inch ruler.
How to use an inch
Use
ruler.
what you know about inches to guess or estimate length. You can use an inch ruler to check your estimate.
I estimate that my eraser is about 3 inches long. I will use a ruler to check my estimate. I will line up one end of the eraser with the 0 mark on the ruler.
The other end of the eraser is closest to the 3-inch mark on the ruler. The eraser is about 3 inches long.
All right, so
use an inch.
So that's what we're talking about today. We're talking about measuring things in inches, okay? So for today's activity in Seesaw, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to measure something. Okay, so I want to show you what that activity looks like. It looks like this, okay? So you're looking for My Math Lesson 1, Chapter 11. It's a measurement scavenger hunt, okay? So tap the measurement scavenger hunt. Oh, I gotta change that. Tap the add response and find your name. So you're gonna tap the add response, okay? See how I did that? And then you don't have to find your name. But these are the things you need to measure. You're gonna measure a pencil, a spoon, a book, a piece of paper, and a shoe. Before you do this, you estimate. Remember, this is how long you think the object will measure. Now you're measuring in inches. I want you to remember that. So then to do this, I click the T, and if I'm talking the pencil, maybe I say 7 inches, okay? And I click over there, and what I can do is I can make this box smaller, and I put it in there, okay? So I'm gonna estimate each of these objects before I measure them. Then I actually measure them, and I get out my ruler, and I lay the pencil down at the 0, and I see how far it goes, okay? Now, if you look over here in the corner, move my video box. This is where I click when I'm done. I click this green check mark, okay? And then I've submitted my homework. It's as easy as that. All right. So that's how we're doing math. Okay. I hope you guys are doing all right. Have some fun measuring some stuff, and I will see you later. Bye, guys. I miss you.